Sometimes the little things hurt the most, like a tiny paper cut. Well, moment of honesty here. At Zapier, we noticed that the software was getting quite a few of those paper cuts, making it less enjoyable for you to build in Zapier. So we did something big. We paused all large work for a solid week to focus on one thing. Small updates that make big quality of life improvements for you as you work in Zapier. It's Zapier's customer love sprint, and here are just 5 of literally hundreds of my personal favorite updates. Let's jump in. Update number 1, saved default views for your zaps. So when you're in here, you can add filters, which make it super easy. Like I want to see all my zaps that are on, and maybe all the ones that are only using Zapier tables or whatever app. If I adjusted the filters, logged out or something like that, this wouldn't save as my default view, but now you click the bookmark icon and you can save this as your default view. This next one's in the editor, and I love this one. When you're going and filling out fields, there's always so many to choose from. Now you can filter by only the ones that are maybe required or the ones that are empty. When you do that, that's nicer. I know I've got 2 required fields to complete this action. That makes building much easier. Up next, number 3, more connected troubleshooting for your zaps. Look, sometimes things break. That happens. You want to be able to fix it quickly, so now you'll see this little button, help me fix it. When you click that button, it takes you directly into the editor to that step so that you can learn about what's going wrong and take action to fix it. Anything to make troubleshooting easier, I'm a big fan of. Over in chatbots, there were a lot of updates, but this one I really love. It's simple and easy, but can help out. So when you're adding knowledge to your chatbot and you want to add a new FAQ table, now instead of navigating to tables and setting that up, you can just click a button, create new table. This will set you up with a table with the 2 main fields you want. And lastly, my 5th and final favorite update. Again, a paper cut that just got healed. When I'm in an interface that I've built and I allow anyone who accesses it to edit records in a table before they'd have to always go over to this edit button, click a couple times to open up the screen. But now, if I want to edit something, all I have to do is just click the record. Boom, I'm in. Woo! I'm getting kind of click happy. Those are just 5 improvements. There's a long list, so be sure to check it out. And on behalf of all of Zapier, we hope that you feel the love. Happy zapping.